Hey everyone! Today's video shows you how to make custom battle maps using the free versions of Canva and Google Maps. These maps are great for Earth-based games like the Marvel Multiverse Role-Playing Game, but you can also use this process to create more generic maps based on forests, shorelines, ruins, and other real-world locations. Let's start the process in Canva. The free version works fine, but if you have a Canva Pro subscription, there's an enhancement that I'll show at the end. Create a new design, choose custom size, select inches, then enter the width of 14 inches and a height of 8.5 inches. This is a legal size paper in landscape orientation in the United States. Once you have your blank canvas, go to Elements, search for Grid, click Graphics, and choose the 3x3 grid. Next, move the grid to the top left corner of the page. Click the Position button and change the width to 4.5 inches. I do this because I use HeroClix miniatures for my Marvel games, and they have a 1.5-inch diameter base. If you're using more standard 1-inch miniatures, you'd resize the grid to 3 inches. Copy and paste the grid to create a row across the page. Then copy and paste that row to fill the rest of the page. Next, group all the grids together so we can make faster adjustments later. With the Canva template ready, let's switch over to Google Maps. For today's example, we're going to create a map of Liberty Island, so search for Liberty Island, New York. Make sure the satellite layer is enabled by clicking Layers Satellite. Next, remove the text labels by clicking Layers, More, and unchecking Labels. Then hide the menus so they don't appear on the map. Now zoom in to the general area you want. It doesn't need to be perfect at this stage, and you don't need to zoom in extremely close. Once you have the area framed, press the Print Screen key on your keyboard or use your preferred screen capture tool. Now switch back to Canva and paste the screenshot into your project. Then crop out any areas you don't want to include. Then move the image to the upper left corner of the canvas. When the map is in position, right-click on the image and select Layers, Send to Back. This puts the image behind the grid. Next, click Position Layers and select the map. Then click Arrange and adjust the height and width until the map is the size you want. If you have a Canva Pro subscription, you can also sharpen the image by clicking Edit, Apps, See All, Image Upscaler. This will make the map a little cleaner. Once you're done formatting your map, click Share, Download, PNG, then Download again. To print the map, choose Landscape Orientation, Legal Size, and set the scaling option to Shrink to Fit. Here are a couple examples. This is the Liberty Island map we created together, and this is one based on Shenandoah National Park in Virginia. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please remember to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel.